Hey guys, I'm trading for a howl plaque. I already got a gecko plushie for him, so. Snake charm. I'm gonna go put this on the charger, guys. Sorry if the music's cracking. It's just my computer's acting up. I'm gonna turn it down so you guys can hear me. I'm gonna trade for his howl plaque. I already got a gecko plushie from him. So let's try and get his howl plaque. Okay, let's see. Howl plaque. Oh my gosh, that's cracky. I'm gonna go and fix this. Oh my gosh, load. I'm waiting for this one. I'm just gonna exit it. It's not going away. Oh! Whatever. There it goes. That, Oh. Carrot couch. Carrot chair. This. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna trade for his howl plaque. If I get it, I'm just gonna stop recording. And I'm probably not gonna get it. Change what? I don't know, it doesn't want to bet a sword. Well, it was non-members. Wow, howl plaques are hard to get. Oh, wow. Oh, gullible. See ya. Sorry if I traded some of this stuff. Did I trade my teeth? I better not have. Whatever. Black. Okay, I'm just gonna search it up really quick. I feel like I've been scammed, but probably not. At the same time. No, never mind. Anyway, guys, bye. I'm gonna make my list for NIOB. Oh yeah, if I trade some of the stuff. Okay, let's see. And a skirt. Furry. I'm just adding some different things. And then last but not least, the rare claw. There, I think that's pretty fair. Guys, see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Go check out NIOB's channel. It's NIOB Blossom. I'm gonna be trading for her spike, as you saw on news or whatever. Some news, yeah. Whatever, that video. See you guys in the next video. Go check out my brother, Tantus Patronus' channel too. We really appreciate the support you give us. So yeah, bye guys. See you in the next video.